What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video of Hacky Kicks. This is Steve here, and today for you guys I'm bringing you another sneaker review, and the sneaker that I'll be going over for you guys today is going to be on the Nike Air Max 90 Supernova. Before we get into the review of the Nike Air Max Supernova, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate the support from you guys. But with all that being said, let's get right into the review. As usual, before I get into the actual sneaker itself, let's take a look at the box quickly. And with this Nike Air Max 90 Supernova, it comes in a typical Nike box. Nothing too crazy. You guys seen this a million times probably by now, and this is just, you're getting your basic white Nike swoosh logo, and then on the tag it says Air Max 90, and the color code is black metallic silver, and this is size 11 of course, meaning that that's gonna be a personal pair. And that's basically the box right there. Now getting into the actual shoe itself, this Air Max 90 Supernova did come out yesterday, June 20th, for a retail of $130. This is probably one of the more recent, this is the most recent Nike pack that has released. And the shoes that come in the Supernova pack was this Air Max 90, of course, and then we had the Air Max Plus and the Air Max 270 React. But out of all of them, this one obviously was the most superior model and the most popular model, and these did actually sell out yesterday, so the demand was really high for these. And honestly, I don't blame that the demand is high, because when I first saw images of the sneaker, I mean, they looked cool and all, and I was really feeling them, but I'm like, is it gonna be something that I might keep long term, or I might wear a lot? And no, but getting these in hand and looking at them in person, the shoe's just crazy. It's super loud, it's wild, and I just like that because, you know, it'll make you stand out during the summertime. Definitely when it's like hot outside and the sun's shining, these could definitely pop out and break some necks probably. So I think that's just a unique you know, colorway and stuff. Maybe long overdue, because they've been doing galaxy colorways Nike has on their models for a minute now, and I've never seen like a galaxy themed Air Max 90 for a while, so probably a long overdue color. But in the end, here is the shoe that we have here quickly. One of the most notable features of the shoe is on one of them, you do have a nice little like nylon or cotton Nike, you know, lace tag, and on the front side it says Nike in like this typical space font with a Nike swoosh. On the other side it says SN 2020, which I believe would stand for Supernova 2020 if I'm not mistaken. But again, a nice little touch, just adds on more to the sneaker for Nike and it makes it more unique and stuff. If you guys can tell, this whole shoe consists of a nylon material that has the printed galaxy space theme throughout it, which again makes up the whole shoe, makes it the colorway that it wants. So that's really nice itself. The Nike swoosh of the Air Max 90 is in this really chrome outline, and it has like this I believe it's like a purplish or pinkish stitching all around it, which again is a nice touch. On the midsole, where it has the Nike Air Max right here, that's in black font, and then we have a white background. And then here we have a really soft like leather / suede that's black. If you guys can tell, there's like a bunch of like pattern and print all around it, and it has a really nice soft feel to it, and it feels like very nice leather in my opinion, or really nice quality. Definitely something that stands out a lot. The midsole of the Air Max, as you guys can see, we have our regular usual Air Max 90 air bubble here. We have pink, I believe, I guess you see part of the air unit, the inside of is pink, and then we have again our galaxy or space themed around it right here on the heel. And again, that's a cool touch as well. The rest of the midsole is white, and then on the heel is again white again. And then on the back side of the Nike Air Max 90 Supernova, we have a black Nike Air logo, and then we have the white, you know, background around that. And the middle side again is the same thing. We have our chrome swoosh, we have our galaxy print, our, you know, black suede leather, and then we have our white midsole with the splatter print, white and black splatter print. And that's basically upper of the sneaker. Into the laces and the tongue of the sneaker, the laces that the shoe comes are just plain black laces. I think they should have thrown in a lot more laces. I think white would look maybe nice, and maybe even like this teal color that's part of the eyelets right here, and although this like pinkish color as well, it looks super dope in my opinion. And our tongue right here again is made of this chrome Nike logo, which again stands out because this would typically be on an Air Max 90, just I believe just a Nike ear on it if I'm not mistaken, but this is just a nice touch indicating it's part of a special collection or special pack. And then getting into the inside of the sneaker, the back of our tongue is again of this like tealish turquoise colorway, and then on the inner liner of the shoe it's of this nice purple right here. And on the inside of the shoe you have a Nike logo on the sock liner or the shoe insert, and it has like the Supernova print to it. If you guys can see it, it has like white rings around it, so I believe that's like represents of the Supernova. and that's pretty cool in my opinion. Another nice additional touch to it. And on the bottom of the sneaker, on the soles of the sneaker itself, if you guys can see, it's mostly white, and then you have some hints of your teal and hints of your like purplish or pinkish colorway. And again, super clean, you know, nonetheless. The colorway is really nice, it pops out a lot, and I think this could be one of the best shoes of the summertime in my opinion. There is a lot going on here, and definitely when it's nice and sunny outside, this will pop out. And again, this really surprised me a lot of how nice this does look in person, how much I do like it a lot. I think it's super dope, and this is definitely one of the best shoes this summertime. And again, these just sell out, but I think since Nike saw there's a little bit of hype or demand on this, they might actually restock this, because normally shoes in a collection that sell out, Nike does eventually do a restock. So I would probably just wait to see if you guys can get these on a restock. And for sizing on these, I would definitely go true to size on Air Max 90s. Do not go half size or go up a half size. I think those would be a little too big or too small. Definitely just get your true size and you should be okay to go. That's all I have to say about this shoe. Again, please let me know what you guys do think of the Air Max 90 Supernova Galaxy. Do you guys think that's a cop or this is a pass? And let me know what you guys think about it. Also, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate the support and just continue growing as a YouTube content creator. And also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian, the Instagram in the bottom left corner of this video. And I appreciate you guys watching the video and appreciate you for the support. Thanks for watching. Peace.